Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. Logs are communication records between the client and the server. Logs are created by computer systems, programs, or devices, keeping track of events, actions, and system behavior. They help administrators to know system activity, including network activity, file access, program installations, and login attempts. Therefore, logs help to track criminal activity and troubleshoot problems. Usually, after compromising a system, attackers erase logs to hide their footprints. Erased logs make it impossible for security teams to determine how the system was compromised, what actions the attacker took, or even when the incident occurred. Clearing logs helps attackers to escape discovery and postpone response actions, like wiping fingerprints from a crime scene, which makes the investigation more difficult and keeps them hidden for longer. Hence, log monitoring and preservation are essential to preserve cybersecurity in any company. Let's see how with a demo. In this demonstration, we'll discuss logs and the process of clearing them. However, we won't focus solely on clearing logs, because doing so can be harmful to your system. Some logs are critical for networking, and others are essential for the configuration of various subsystems you're using. So first, we'll see how to use and view logs effectively. To begin, open Command Prompt with administrator privileges. Next, type the following command: webtoodle. This is a command line interface tool that comes pre-installed in the command prompt. The commands used with webtoodle include small e. Small l stands for enumerate logs. It lists all available event logs on the system. Small g. Small l stand for get log. It retrieves the configuration details of a specified event log. Small s. Small l stands for set log. It modifies the configuration settings of a specified event log. Small c. Small l stands for clear log. It clears all entries from a specified event log. Let us demonstrate this commands. Type webtoodle small e small l. As you can see, this generates a list of logs. You can examine logs related to different actions and Microsoft components. This tool is useful for both enumeration and investigative purposes, especially for analyzing attacker activity. So the attacker uses this tool to clear, update, and manage log files. To view logs from the Windows subsystem, you need to go to the search bar and search for Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. Then navigate to System and Security. Click on Windows Tools. Note that this demonstration is on Windows 11. If your view is different, please navigate to the option as needed. From there, open the Event Viewer. You can view your logs list in the left pane. Click on the Windows Logs. From the drop-down, select Application. This section displays various logs including their level, date and time, and source. If you want to delete a log, then select Clear Log option to the right side of your screen. This is how you clear and manage logs in Windows 11. In the left side list, we can also see logs for security, system, setup, forwarded events. The same process applies to Windows 10. The methodology remains consistent. You can also access custom views under administrative events. Now, to view logs in Kali Linux, open your VirtualBox, start Kali Linux, and open a terminal. In the terminal, navigate to the directory by entering the command cd/var/log. Press Enter. Next, type the command ls to list the contents. This is the main log directory where all the logs are generated and separated by the system. For example, to view boot.log, run the command cat boot.log. If you encounter a permission denied error, use sudo in the command. Now the command will be sudo cat boot.log. Press Enter. Sudo command grants administrative permissions. Then enter your password. Now, you should be able to see the log contents. To delete a log, you can use the following command rm boot.txt, where boot.txt is the file name. However, as I mentioned earlier, this can be harmful to your system. So please do not perform to clear logs. This is just a demonstration to show how attackers perform log enumeration and clearing of tracks in Windows and Linux. But this is how log enumeration, manipulation, and track clearing can be performed, both in Windows and Linux environments.